Hey guys, just taking off this muffler here. It's just 2 bolts here and just a nut, 10mm nut for this. And what I was doing was, since I've never checked this for scoring, you know, just to make sure that I am mixing the no late kingdom for a late. Let's see here, hang in there, okay. Focus, man. Now you can see a little bit of scoring in there, a little bit after what, 5 years, 6 years. It's not too bad though, I must say, of how bad your piston is, you know. So I'll be right back now when I cleans this up. Now that it's all cleaned up, the piston is, there is a few little streaks here, but they're striations, I guess you'd call it. But overall, I mean, the piston is really good. So I just cleaned out I got quite a bit of, that's nothing compared to what I did get out of it. Big chunks of stuff. So, yeah, I'm happy with that. I, blew out the muffler, and that looks pretty good now. So, yeah, guys, that's just something that I do once in a while. Not all the time, but, like I said, so far as I can remember, this is the first time that I've done it in 5 years. I must have done it before, but I don't remember. So every few years, you do that. All depends on how much you use your saw. And I do mix mine. It calls for 50-to-1. I mix it at 40-to-1. So it gets enough lubrication, I hope, and every 5 or 6 tanks, put in 32-to-1 for a tank, and then just continue on. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to check I'm just curious on the compression. It should be good because the piston is fine. Don't seem to be scored up too bad. So I'm just going to give it 4 or 5 pulls and see what it is. So 106, which that's good for as far as I know. I mean, that's pretty good. So anyway, guys, that's just a little checkup, maintenance, if you want to call it that, on your saw. I have a video on this saw, but this is what I was doing today, so I just wanted to have a short video. Thanks, guys. If you like it, subscribe. If not, thanks anyway.